Hello, this is my first review. A review on how to make a SaaS decision. What is a SaaS? Software as a Service, or SaaS, is a software delivery method that provides access to software and its functions remotely as a web design service. Software as a Service allows organizations to access business functionality at a cost, typically less than paying for licensed applications, since SaaS pricing is based on a monthly fee. Also, because the software is hosted remotely, users don't need to invest in additional hardware. Software as a Service removes the need for organizations to handle the installation, setup, and often daily upkeep and maintenance. Software as a Service may also be referred to as simple hosted applications. How to make a SaaS decision. The SaaS-based delivery model represents a significant change in how software companies are bringing their solutions to market. Traditionally, software vendors had a few routes for getting their software to make on market. Depending on the type of application, it could either be purchased on CD from a store, via a website, or directly from the software vendors themselves. Either method of acquiring the software presented the customer with the challenge of having to install the software themselves. Purchasing the software effectively gave the user the right to use the software for as long as they wanted. If they required further updates, such as security patches or other application enhancements, then software vendors would normally charge a maintenance fee in addition to the cost of purchasing the software. The maintenance fee would include things such as access to security patches, application enhancements, and access to some form of help desk to ensure that problems can be smoothly and quickly resolved. The software industry has used this software delivery model for over 15 years now, and it is only since the improvement and reliability of the World Wide Web that software vendors have started to look at this as a serious medium for delivery software applications to their customers. About 5 years ago, software vendors started to use the internet to deliver software applications to end users. These application service providers, or ASPs, basically allow their customers to download software applications, and the installation process was similar to the traditional CD-based software. Even though the ASP service model provides a relatively efficient means of getting software applications to the customer, it has suffered a number of problems. The main one being the size of the actual download file, which could run into hundreds of MB, and the subsequent maintenance updates, which also had to be downloaded on a regular basis. Without these updates, and software vendors could not always be ensured that their customers were running the latest version of their software. SaaS has the potential to totally change the way in which companies run their IT infrastructures. It allows relatively small companies to use feature-rich applications that are traditionally used by the larger organizations. The main barriers to these small companies have been the acquisition cost and the level of IT support required to run the applications efficiently. SaaS being down these barriers and allows many more companies to streamline and simplify their IT infrastructures. Improve applications deployment in geographically dispersed location and realize significant cost savings. Well, that is my first review. Hope you learned something. Thank you.